Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you. Welcome you all to English language class. Hope you all are doing very well and enjoying online classes. So, welcome you all to this English language class. Today, we'll discuss the assignment 1 based on comparison of adjectives. So here, you'll get again two advantages. First, your learned rules will be revised, and second, you will check yourself whatever you have done, whether your answers are correct or not. So let's begin. So here, sentence number 1 is, here you have to rewrite the sentences by changing the degree of comparison. You will change only degrees of comparison, but meaning should not change. Only you are allowed to change the form of adjectives here, okay, or adverb, if it is given. So positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. These all are three forms of adjective or adverb. So number 1, this stone is less heavy than that. This stone is less heavy than that. First of all, you have to understand the meaning, then you write the sentence without changing meaning. But you are only allowed to change the form of this adjective or adverb, if it is here. So, this stone is less heavy than that. It means this stone is not as heavy as that. Okay? Means that stone. So, this stone is not as heavy as that. Alternatively, it can be written that stone is heavier than this. Okay. Come to the second. Your horse. Second sentence is, our horse is better trained than yours. So again, you have to understand the meaning. So, your horse is not as well trained as ours. So your what is the first form of better trained? That will be well trained, not good trained. Okay, well trained, better trained, and best trained. So better trained has been used. We have used here well trained, first form, positive degree we have used here. So your horse is not as well trained as ours. Sentence number 3 is, kindness is the greatest virtue in the world. Okay? It means kindness is greater than any other virtue in the world. Kindness is greater than any other virtue in the world. Alternatively, it can be said, no other virtue in the world is as great as kindness. Sentence number 4. Greenland is the largest island. So, Greenland is larger than any other island. Greenland is larger than any other island. Alternative can be said, no other island is as large as Greenland. Now sentence number 5. Mount K2 is less high than Mount Everest. It means Mount K2 is not as high as Mount Everest. Mount K2 is not as high as Mount Everest. Sentence number 6 is there. Agra. Okay. Here it is 6. There are few cities in India as hot as Agra. You cannot say Agra is the hottest city, because there are few other cities who are as hot as Agra. It's not a thing that there is no other city as hot as Agra. Okay, you have to understand the meaning. I have told you already. If you find one of and the best, there is difference. You know very well. So here there are few cities in India as hot as Agra. So Agra is one of the hottest cities in India, or alternatively you can say Agra is hotter than many or most other cities in India. Number 7 is there. This book is less expensive than that one we bought yesterday. So here this book is not as expensive as the one we bought yesterday, or alternatively the book we bought yesterday is more expensive than this book. Okay. Next one is 8 is there. I am as strong as he is. It means I am as strong as he is. He is not stronger than I am. He is not stronger than I am. Number 9. He is less intelligent than his cousin. It means he is not as intelligent as his cousin is. He is not as intelligent as his cousin is. Number 10, last is Nehru was greater. Nehru was one of the greatest leaders. So here again there is one of. Here it is one of. After one of always use plural. It's one of the greatest leaders. Note please note this. So here very few leaders were as great as Nehru. Okay, or Nehru was greater than many or most other leaders. In this way, you have discussed the assignment number 1 based on comparison of adjectives. Now, you will understand it and put the rules on your mind and practice enough to gain expertise at this interchange of sentences. Now, your homework will be, you have to write letter number 8. You got to write letter number 8. Letter is there. Write a letter to the district magistrate of your area, and you are complaining the sudden rise of theft in your area during COVID lockdown. During COVID lockdown, number of the cases of theft have increased. So you are writing the letter to the DM, the district magistrate of your area, and also suggesting some ways how to control this cases of theft. So you have to touch 4 points in your content. This is a formal letter and content is of 2 marks. So half into 4, that is 2 marks. You have to touch 4 points. So you may complain about the rise in the cases of theft during COVID. Give one example, and you may give 2 suggestions from your own side how to control this. Okay. In this way, you have to write this letter. The suggestion must be pertinent. Pertinent means proper. Okay? Pertinent means proper, perfect. So that solution must be workable, must be viable. Okay? So, bye-bye. Hope to see you in another video. Happy learning.